Hi everybody, this is Tracy Sigler. Sorry I'm a little bit late today. For some reason yesterday I jumped right into grading journals and neglected to post a welcome video for Module 2. So I apologize for that. And this week we'll be talking about or learning about understanding people at work. So as you found out in the first module, organizational behavior is about understanding behavior, predicting behavior, and ultimately influencing behavior. So this module is all about understanding people and looking at a variety of tools that we have that can help us understand differences in individuals. So your module materials for the text are chapters 3 and 4. Our journal assignment for this week is about being your true authentic self. So you have some materials here related to the journal topic. And then there's one discussion board, one written assignment, and one journal this week. So one of the issues related to people and organizations is getting a good fit between the individual and the organization. So your writing assignment this time around asks you to evaluate your own organization as one of the best companies to work for. So SAS at the beginning of chapter 4 fits into that category. Excuse me. And then I also have a list here for you to look at in terms of best organizations. So as a leader, you are the frontline manager, representative of the company who interacts with your employees. And so think about the environment that you create for them. Module 2, that was the discussion board. Sorry, I didn't point that out. So post your response and then respond to at least 2 others. The written assignment focuses on you as an individual and evaluating the fit between you and your job and you and your organization. There's an activity here about catch your dreams that asks you to generate a list of things you'd like to accomplish. You do not have to give me that list, but use it in addressing this assignment, looking at your own values and trying to assess your own person-organization fit. Okay, so that written assignment is just for me. The discussion board assignment about best places to work is to share with others. Keep that in mind as you're putting it together. And then finally, the journal for the week is embracing a true authentic self. So here's the definition. There's a book by Bill George called Discover Your True North that I've used in classes to kind of investigate and get students to think about the issue. So first I've asked you to draw a picture of your life story and give you an example of mine. You don't have to share that with me. And then answer some questions to reflect on the extent to which you are leading with your true authentic self. So that's it for this week. Like I said, I'm currently grading right now. I'm almost through the journals, and then I will give you some feedback on the other items as well. So have a good week.